Hi guys! Today, gagawa tayo ng Choco Butternut Crinkles gamit ang air fryer. To learn more, watch the entire video, like and subscribe. Thank you! Let's start. Here we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour already sifted, and we have 1 cup of cocoa powder and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now let's add 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar and mix. And add half teaspoon of salt, half cup of oil, any vegetable oil will do. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and 4 eggs. Mix until well combined. Mix it well until wala nang makitang flour, and then let's put it in another bowl and cover it with cling wrap. Put it on the freezer for an hour, and then we'll be right back. Now for the butternut streusel, we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Next we have is an unsalted melted butter, yellow food color, and red food color. Pwede naman po kayong gumamit ng orange food color, pero yung available lang kasi sa amin is yung red and yellow na food color. So, I just mixed 12 yellow drops and 6 red drops. Kung gusto nyo ng mas matingkad na kulay, ang ginawa ko, dinagdagan ko pa ng another 12:6. Kaya, kanyan katingkad ang kanyang orange. Pero depende din yun sa inyo kung ano mas gusto nyo. So, mix nyo na sa dry ingredients. Mix well until wala nang makitang buo-buo ng food color. Hindi ko na na-videohan pero nagdagdag ako ng half cup ng desiccated coconut. After freezing our mixture for over an hour, medyo firm na ang ating mixture, so let's make it into balls. And then we'll dip it into our butternut streusel. Yan. So, medyo matigas siya. Pero, at least hindi na siya madikit sa kamay. Just continue making choco balls and then prepare your air fryer. Put some parchment paper para hindi dumikit sa ating air fryer. And then what I do sa ating choco butternut crinkles, cover it with butternut streusel and dapat makapal yung sa taas para mas maganda tingnan after niya maluto. Okay, we're all set. So, pasok na natin sa ating air fryer. Set our temperature into 160 Celsius. And then, for the timer, 10 minutes to 12 minutes. Yan. After 12 minutes, tada! Yan na ang ating Choco Butternut Crinkles. Made with love. Char. Let it cool muna bago tanggalin sa ating air fryer para hindi dumikit. And then let's have a quick taste test. Yan. It's very soft pa dahil medyo warm pa siya na. It's very fudgy. Then let's try. Sakto lang ang tamis at talagang malasa ang ating nutmeg. So, kalasang-kalasa niya po ang ating Dunkin' Donuts Choco Butternut. So, I hope you try this recipe. And please comment down below if nasubukan nyo ang recipe na ito. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!